Recently, we finished another solar energy storage system installation in Aruba. We can see that there are total 72 pieces of 600-watt solar panels in this solar system. And there is one piece of 35 kilowatt hybrid solar inverter here. And here, we have a total 10 pieces of 10 kilowatt-hour lithium battery. So the battery capacity is total 100 kilowatt-hour. We can see there are the power cables here, and this is the communication cable between the inverter, and this is the grounding cables. Besides the inverters and batteries, we also have other protections like this one. This is the PV combiner box. It is total 8 strips from the solar panels. And this one is AC distribution box. There is the breakers and surge protection inside the AC distribution box. And also we also installed the CT and meter to realize the zero export function for this solar system. About this solar system, it can generate 200 kilowatt-hours power every day, and it can save $2,000 electricity bill and every month. Thank you.